Hi everybody, it is Friday the 8th of June. I'm Shane Smyth, Bundoran Tourism Officer, and today is UN World Oceans Day, which is why we are here today on Tullan Strand Beach. And the action focus for this year's campaign is preventing plastic pollution. We'll leave more details in the description of this video. Lots happening in Bundoran this weekend. In the Allingham tomorrow night, it is Ciarán, Rosney and the Indians, a double bill there. And of course, there's the usual trad session in Madden's Bridge Bar, the acoustic session tomorrow night, and of course live music all over town right across this weekend as well. A few other things happening, including your chance tomorrow at BMG Hardware at the East End between 12 and 2 to meet and have a photograph with the Dulux dog, a regular visitor to BMG Hardware, and the Dulux dog will be there tomorrow afternoon between 12 and 2. Sea Sessions ticket competition, of course, this day 2 weeks we've got that happening here in Bundoran, and we're really looking forward to the biggest Sea Sessions there has ever been, and that will be kicking off on this day fortnight. If you would like to win a pair of tickets to Sea Sessions, you can jump onto our Facebook page and answer the simple question, and you could be in with a chance of winning that pair of tickets. And the closing date for that competition is Sunday week, the 17th of June. Speaking of next week as well, if you fancy winning a trip to Bundoran and you're in the Dublin area, then check out Dublin's Q102 radio station, because Liam Coburn is on the air every morning from 6 a.m. and he'll be giving you a chance to win a trip daily to Bundoran, and you can join him on 102.2 FM in the Dublin area. Waterworld is open daily right throughout the summer season from now until the end of August. It's open 12 to 6 daily during the month of June. Last admission is at 5 o'clock, and of course one of Bundoran's big attractions. Next week we've got a Tidy Towns beach clean. That is happening at Main Beach on next Friday the 15th of June, and that is happening from 6 o'clock, so everybody can meet there and you can help do your bit to keep Bundoran tidy for that. Don't forget, you can catch us on social media. We're on Twitter, we're on Facebook, we're on YouTube, we are on Spotify as well, and also on Instagram. So lots of ways of connecting with Discover Bundoran, and we would love to hear from you. Until next Friday, have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon.